Okay, welcome guys to another wonderful episode of this training. And in today's training, I'm going to be showing you how to pick a product from the WarriorPlex platform. So now, one thing you have to know is that the WarriorPlex platform is a vast marketplace, and what I mean by that is that there are different marketers, there are different vendors, different sellers in this marketplace. So choosing the right product can and could be very, very hard and tricky, especially the fact that we are from Nigeria and most products inside of this platform are digital products, like let's say a chatbot or a free traffic kind of bot, things like that. So you see different kind of digital products inside of this marketplace. So now the question is, as an athlete, how then will you pick a product from a market that has different and a very high amount of products? How then will you choose the selling product, and how then will you market this product? Now, in order for you to find the products which are in the market, you have to go to your affiliate dashboard and click offers. Now, when you click on offers, they are going to show you different kind of affiliate offers, different products that are in for athletes to, request permission and start selling. Request permission and start selling. So you could see that secret image system, applicator, post NNRs, and with all these right here are different products you could request and then start marketing. So now, out of all this, how then will you pick the best product? Now, the first way to pick the best product in this marketplace is from what we call deals of the day. Deals of the day, guys. Deals of the day. When you tap on deals of the day, you will see different deals. Yes, you could see different deals of the day, the ranking deals of the day. Create 100% automatic block instantly, 94% discount, unlimited music for every marketing, 47 best tester got results. So you will see different deals of the day, the products in which Warrior Plus have ranked higher as the deal of the day, the deals people are taking, people are, rushing into. So you could find a product here. Now, the next thing is that the deals of the day are much too. The deals of the day are much. They are very, very much. And you can't say, okay, since these are all the deals of the day, we can click on view more. Since these are all the deals of the day, then I should pick all of them, request for an affiliate link from all of them. No, if you do that, you end up not even getting anything. You end up not getting anything. So out of all the deals of the day, what you are going to do is that you will now go on a research. Go on a research for each and every one of them. You want to look at three things. You want to look at first their landing page. You want to look for reviews on that product, the product you are wishing to sell, and you have to carry out a research on the kind of market, the kind of people that buys it. But before thinking of all these things, I want you to first put yourself into a particular niche, because there are different kind of this thing. You could choose to sell just ebooks, books that different affiliate marketers, vendors here are giving to affiliate marketers and say, okay, help us sell this. You could choose to sell books, you could choose to sell these digital projects like they bought a website creator, automated creator, and some kind of stuff. So put yourself in a particular niche so that you will, bring yourself down to the lowest level. And then the next part should be looking at their landing page. You want to see their landing page, looking at reviews, customers' reviews about them. You have to go search on Google reviews about them and looking at the kind of market they have. So let's say, for instance, I pick one of these views of the create 100% automated blog instantly, and I click on it. Now, look at this. They first showed me a little stuff about it, and then let's move in more and more to see their landing page. Now, okay, so now this is their landing page. This is the way it looks like. This is the way it looks like. You want to study their landing page, know what they are, what they do. So they say easily create 100% automated blog in 2 clicks, blah blah blah. Get 100% generic content, on interview content, 100% newbie friendly, clear content, grab now at price $17. And you want to know more about them, you could see the results people are having. Now, in fact, if we complete, these are customers' reviews. Auto blogging is fresh, but the thing about landing pages is that sometimes landing pages could carry some kind of form of, tricky statements, lies, and some other stuff just to intrigue the buyer, Some people do this. So looking for customer reviews are not particularly here. You don't look for customers. Here you just use this to know more about the product, to see how it works so that you will be able to market it. You will be able to tell someone about the product. So you want to study their landing page, know how the whole product thing works so that you will know how you will market this product, giving the people the benefit of this product. So if you studied the landing page very well and you feel it's a good fit and you love it for your niche, the next part you should do, don't just end there. You want to go into copying the name of this product. Okay, let's see. Auto blogging. I want to go to Google and see that in there. Let's see that if we got the name correct. Okay, auto blogging will be customers bounces on our click it. So we want to test different platforms and how customers have reacted to the product. So you could see it right here. You will see so many things. What people have said about the product. Yeah, right here, since technology on this platform, we want to get more platforms. More this platform. So let's see. Some of these products are very, very hidden. So hardly before you could find something about them. So here we could see the product, the vendor's name, Rudy Rodra, product to plugin, $17, highly recommended. Okay, auto plugin rating, easy to use, 5 stars, price 5 stars, features 5 stars, quality, bonuses 5 stars, overall 5 stars, cons, pros, recreated, haven't found so far. Okay, okay, so their benefits, okay, possibly, okay, we shouldn't make sure you don't rely on just one person's opinion about it. You want to go big, wide. You could even go to the point of using YouTube to check about the product so that you will know what you are selling to your customers, because you don't want to sell them something that is not unique, something that's not good. It's not it. Or they will just stop believing you, and some kind of stuff like that might happen, and you won't be happy with it. So you want to check it very, very well. All these pages are kind of looking the same. Okay, this guy gave us an insider images, insider images about how the product look like. All these things could help you believe the product, help you believe the product. Okay. Okay, these are all 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars. Okay. Okay, those are good. So you could go into YouTube too and maybe type something in about the product. Just type in the product name and watch different amounts of reviews, guys. Then if you've gone through this research, listen to people reviews, people results, and see that it's a good fit, you want to now go into your same Google search, and you want to look for how the kind of people that use this particular product. So if you found the kind of people that use that particular product, then you could go down to then applying for an affiliate link and becoming an affiliate for this particular product. So let me show you how to become an affiliate. Let me show you how to become an affiliate. Let this load. Okay. Now, after maybe picking a product, some products don't actually have listing. You could search for this particular product written here, but due to time, let's just pick a product. Just copy in the name and put it in here, or copy in the vendor's name and put it in here, and then boom, search for the product and then request. But let's use something like the Doku Profit. Get rid. Good. Now, in Warrior Plus, what happens is that you don't just carry a product and then start selling them. You first have to request for approval. If the admin or the owner of that product does not accept your request, you can't become an affiliate. So you want to request approval, then you have to write down a short note. It is, they say, the optional, but most times it is good. You try to express yourself and tell it to tell it to the owner of the product why